Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to actually show you how to break in your Horween leather Bible. Stay tuned. In a past video, I showed you that this Omega has a broken in cover. And now the way I use this edition, I'll roll the cover back like such, depending on which side I'm reading. But I noticed that I would roll this cover and that really accelerated this breaking in process. So I'm going to actually use this accelerated break-in method on this CrossWay Legacy in Horween leather, just so that you guys can enjoy a broken in cover immediately. So we can move this broken in Omega over here to the side, and we will start with this Legacy. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to start rolling this cover back. And it's gonna really feel terrible. You know, it's like ripping the seal off of a 20-year-old toy that you've saved. You know, it's like somehow you're ruining this, but you're really not. You're doing it a favor. So we'll start rolling it. As you can see, I'll roll this cover back and forward until we start to really feel it loosen up. So now I have rolled this cover. We'll actually pinch this yap over like this. So now I've folded the yap over, and you can see it start to patina on that edge. That's how I usually break in these covers. Anyway, now we'll go the opposite direction. We're going to roll the cover this way. Okay, and then we're going to unroll it. And we will keep doing that, and you'll start seeing it patina where these stressors are. I'll actually come from a corner and roll it out from the corner. You can start to see these wrinkles developing. I'll go from the other corner, and you can see it starts to develop these wrinkles in this area. So now I will start the process over. I'll roll it in a few times. Continue to do this. Roll it in a few times. Then I will roll it over and curl it under it on itself. And you can start to see some wear on this cover. Now you can also break in these editions by doing what I did with the Omega, and that is curling this edition under like that and just using it. It'll break in over time, but you can actually break it in much faster by doing this. Comparing, you can see this cover, the front, where I've been working on the break-in process, and then if we flip it over to the back, you can see it's brand new. So you can definitely see the difference that a little bit of work has made with this cover. All right, so I'm going to continue to follow this process by rolling the cover. You don't want to make any drastic creases because that will kind of remove the subtlety of the break-in. It'll actually leave a crease, a colored crease in the leather. You don't want that. So the break-in process is super important for not just the user feeling, but the actual usability of the edition. All right, so I've been using this rapid break-in process for about 3 minutes. And you can already tell the wrinkling in this front cover. So you can see this wrinkling. It feels softer, it feels more pliable than it did just 3 minutes ago, compared to the back, which I haven't done anything to. It's a stiff versus the front, where you have the wrinkles and it's way more flexible. So you can see the benefits to breaking in this leather. All right, so when I do the hand test, you can definitely see the benefits. So I'm splitting this block half and half. I'm holding it directly in the middle, and you can see how much looser this one side is versus the non-broken in side. It makes the edition way more usable and flexible by breaking in that cover. So hang out with me while you watch this time lapse of me breaking in the backside. So now we've used that technique on the front and the back of this Horween Legacy. And if we do the hand test again, you can see how much floppier this edition is now that we've used that technique. It feels fluid and very flexible, and the wrinkling on the front and the back cover, just from that break-in technique, is so nice. It really feels nice and even. Now you can see where this edition of the Omega is a little more drastic, probably just because I've used it so much more, and this one broke in more naturally. But using this break-in technique, you'll get that feel, that loosened up, broken in feel immediately, like within minutes of doing this for your Horween leather Bible. Now, it's a quick video. I hope that helps you guys learn how to break in your Horween leather Bible so that you can enjoy holding it and using it even more. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave 2 dislikes. As with every video that I produce, we're going to give away a Bible. So whoever this is, this person right here, you want a Bible, please shoot me an email and I'll get you a Bible headed your way. Also, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.